Chat, who's the best cricket player? Let me right now. Who is the best cricket player? They got this dude named Virat Kohli.
St. Maximin, you won't regret it.
All right, let me look.
Shout out to VS Mudger.
Best highlights. Let me see if this.
Dom tipped $1.
I never seen cricket before.
I show speed diss track by Pack God.
I want to check this out. I want to check this out.
Super chatted $2.11.
Virat Kohli. That is so easy, bro. That is so easy. Like, why are people getting happy off this? Bro, he's throwing it at the ground. It gives you a more precision shot if you throw it at the ground.